Tracking documents on the go is super easy with this app. Hit the plus button at the top to get started. Name your document and select the date when it was from. You've then got the option to choose up to 9 images per document. You can upload images both from your camera and from your photo library. Check it's correct and hit the tick button in the bottom corner to save. It'll take a few moments because it's saving safely into the cloud. Now with your documents, you can perform actions on them. If you want to filter down, you're able to use the search bar at the top to filter for any keywords that may be included in your documents. You can then also filter from the date from and date to. So if you wanted to select all dates within January, you're able to do this. You can then swipe left on the documents that you'd like to perform actions on. Those actions are exporting it and then also deleting. You can actually delete many at a time by using the selection tool and then selecting however many you'd like to perform actions on. To export, you can do this one at a time. You swipe left on your document and then you can export it to yourself, to your accountant, or to any other email address that you wish. When you do export, the receiver of it will receive a downloadable link to the documents that you've sent them.